Welcome to Skilr. Test your generative AI knowledge with MCQs for the AWS AI Practitioner exam. Question 1. What is the main purpose of generative AI in the context of machine learning? The correct answer is to generate new data that mimics existing data. As the generative AI models are designed to produce original outputs such as text, images, or audio based on patterns learned from training data. Question 2. Which model type is most associated with generative AI tasks? The correct answer is generative adversarial networks. Where generative adversarial networks are commonly used in generative AI for creating realistic synthetic data like images and videos. Question 3. In a generative adversarial network, GAN, what is the role of the discriminator? The correct answer is evaluate and classify data as real or fake. Where the discriminator evaluates the output of the generator and provides feedback to help it improve. Question 4. Which type of model architecture powers many advanced generative text tools like ChatGPT? The correct answer is transformer. As the transformer-based models enable complex language understanding and generation by processing input in parallel and capturing context efficiently. Question 5. Which AWS service offers foundation models for generative AI tasks like text generation? The correct answer is Amazon Bedrock. As the Amazon Bedrock enables developers to build and scale generative AI applications using foundation models from leading AI companies. Question 6. What is a major use case of generative AI in enterprise settings? The correct answer is generating product descriptions automatically. Where generative AI helps automate content generation tasks like writing product descriptions or emails, saving time and increasing consistency. Question 7. Which of the following is true about generative models in training? The correct answer is they learn the underlying data distribution to generate similar samples. As the generative models learn the distribution of the input data so they can generate new samples that look like they came from the same source. Question 8. How does generative AI differ from traditional classification models? The correct answer is it creates new data instead of assigning labels. Unlike classification models that label existing data, generative models produce new, similar data points. Question 9. Which of the following is an ethical consideration with generative AI? The correct answer is deepfake generation and misinformation. As the generative AI can be misused to produce realistic fake content, raising concerns about misinformation and content authenticity. Question 10. What is a diffusion model in the context of generative AI? The correct answer is a type of model that refines random noise into coherent output. Where the diffusion models are a class of generative models that learn to gradually convert random noise into high-quality structured outputs, such as images. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skilr.